Okay, everybody, we're going to look at another question here about common factoring. So I've got these two terms right here. And quite honestly, when we write stuff like this, one of the things you want to do is you want to take a good look at this. And like notice in this case right here, particularly in this first time, I've got a 1/2 here and a negative 2x. That's basically just busy work. So 1/2 times negative 2 is going to be negative 1x and then x minus 2. Then I've got this 1 minus x squared to the negative 1/2. And then my second term is 1 minus x squared to the positive 1/2. Now I'm going to take out what's common. And what I'm seeing here is this 1 minus x squared. I'll take out the factor, whoops, with the smallest exponent there. So 1 minus x squared to the negative 1/2. In this first term, that's going to leave me with negative x multiplied by x minus 2 plus, and when I divide these out, remember I'm dividing here, so I'm dividing powers. I'm going to subtract the exponent. So it's going to be 1 minus x squared to the 1/2 divided by 1 minus x squared to the negative 1/2. So 1 minus x squared to the 1/2 minus negative 1/2. That's 1/2 plus 1/2. Just going to be 1. So it'll be 1 minus x squared. So now I get 1 minus x squared to the negative 1/2. Then I'm just going to expand stuff out here. So we'll get negative x squared plus 2x plus 1 minus x squared. And I will get 1 minus x squared to the negative 1/2. And then this will be negative 2x squared plus 2x plus 1. Not a big fan of the way that looks, that last one here. So I'm going to factor a negative out of that. 1 minus x squared to the negative 1/2. This will become 2x squared minus 2x minus 1. Now, I'm not 100% sure if I can factor that. I mean, I can play with it a little bit, but let's just check the discriminant here. B squared minus 4ac. So in this case, it's going to be negative 2 squared minus 4 times 2 times negative 1. This is just a nice way of checking. So 4 plus 8, we're going to get 12. What I'm looking for there is a perfect square. So if the discriminant there had been a perfect square, then I could have factored that further, and I can't. So this might be as far as you need to take it. Although some of your teachers might expect you to go a little bit further and to take that 1 minus x squared because of the negative exponent down into the denominator. You may even be required to do this. So this is going to be minus 2x squared minus 2x minus 1. Notice that 1 minus x squared is going to be 1 minus x, 1 plus x. It's a difference of squares there. In which case you could, distribute that exponent through to get 1 minus x to the 1/2 and then multiply by 1 plus x to the 1/2. But these are things that you're going to have to kind of talk to your teacher, figure out what your instructor is expecting you to do here.